Okay, so folks are getting ready. I'll have to check what's the time now. It's 8:10 a.m. We are late by about 30 minutes, but still it's not a problem. We'll be going on Asian Highway 47 or
46.
46. Yeah, that's as you already know, Asian Highway is pretty well maintained. So anything over 100 is absolutely fine. Highway kada వెళ్ళిపోదాం ఎంతలో వెళ్తా 100 and 120 అట్లా ఆ రేంజ్లో.
Okay guys, as you know me, it's Vinam Bikers, Sriram right here. So okay, now I'm on charge, so let's get started. Goa is still 100 kilometers from here, maybe. Yeah, let's go. Any kilometers are 120, 122. Okay, exactly. Okay, yeah, chalo. Another halt right here, so because of my brother is refueling his bike right there else, right here. So we're just gonna cross them and we're gonna stop right here. Now the time is around 9:05 a.m. so hope we're gonna reach Goa by 11.
No, not 11. Probably by 1 p.m.
Probably 1 p.m. actually. Actually it's lunch time.
Yeah, lunchtime will be like.
Yeah, that's pretty good to hear.
So just guess how it will be lunch in Goa.
Let's guess. So mostly we are vegetarian people. We didn't prefer non-veg, that too in Goa.
We'll have to look for veg restaurants. Asking for veg restaurants. Bhaiya, veg restaurants ka hai?
That's going to be pretty difficult task for us to
But
choose
still
a right
manage.
restaurant only for vegetarians. That's pretty difficult task for us. So mostly this is gonna challenging for us. Mostly we are vegetarians.
Yes, if the vegetarian restaurants are not available, we'll directly go to the beach, find the fish.
Then we're gonna change our motto to non-vegetarians. Sorry, grandma.
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
10 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ 20 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್
ತುಂಬ ದಿನ ಹೊಡೆದು ತುಂಬ ದಿನ ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ.
ಹೋಗಿ ಅಡ್ಡಾಡ್ಬಲ್ಲಿ.
Okay sir, thank you.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
Most friendly police. Okay, so now we are heading to the tea shop right there. Let's have a cup of tea right there. What's the time?
It's 9:30 I guess.
How many kilometers left to Goa?
Still 102.
Okay. Still we have 102 kilometers left to reach Goa. So let's have a cup of coffee.
Hey guys, just look. We're having a brief breakfast. Pav Bhaji. Very spicy.
Very spicy.
So everyone is equally enjoying. Damn spicy gravy. He's just having the gravy, irrespective of the pav. So you can understand how
Doesn't matter to me.
all that matters is the spiciness of the gravy. This is gravy.
That's why we are also donating our gravy to him.
I'm glad to have that.
According to his dedication to you.
Can I get a background music, please?
Yeah, one bag. I guess you will be able to hear the music. If not, the music will be added.
Next time. Definitely.
Okay, next time.
Next time.
See, we will be entering the Goa in about 40 to 50 kilometers. So we need to have that PUC certificate. For that we have come. Pulsar has got its certificate, but Yamaha, there's a little confusion over there. They aren't able to like clearly get, is it Yamaha R15 or R1? So they're a little bit in a state of confusion. I guess it'll take about 5 to 10 minutes. They'll come to a conclusion that it is R1 only.
Okay, come here. One mostly.
And this
is a test result.
and Pulsar for the Pulsar with Pulsar hall ticket he has written an exam.
This is a certification of excellence.
Test pass. Test result pass.
Good marks for good exhaust gas. Actually,
Good exhaust gas.
Actually, I am now tensed up because of my result hasn't come right.
Yeah, this
now,
guy is
but-
must be very much tense.
Yeah, that's why I'm very tensed up right now.
He's
Waiting
got
for
to,
the exam results.
he's got to pass the exam or else the entry of Goa will be restricted.
Restricted. Look at the bike, yeah.
He has
how
to-
dull it has.
For now, this guy has got permission to get into an examination hall. He's got
Very
to,
excited.
must be excited.
Here the ignition test is going on.
The test is going on.
It is going. Let them insert the.
An invigilator has come with the question paper
Let them insert the question paper inside.
and inside it, deep inside.
He is entered into examination.
Now he is going to write his exam by revving the throttle.
Okay, exam done.
Examination
So-
completed.
Exam done.
Waiting for my result. Examination completed. Finally he got it.
He got his certificate.
Yeah, applause, man.
Ah,
Seems
look at my result.
yeah, has got
I'm
passed.
passed.
Test pass.
Finally, wait. Let me compare our
Marks
Results.
right now. Marks here. How the Pulsar has got and how the Yamaha. Oh man, really Pulsar has much.
The pollution check of the two bikes have been done, and we got to know like this is Maharashtra. About a kilometer we entered into the Maharashtra. We are
You
about
can see the bus right there.
that's MH.
Maharashtra bus. Yeah.
And then thing is like we are switching the bikes. I'll be taking the Pulsar, and he'll be riding R15, and we'll be.
Let him say first.
తీసేస్తారు ఓకే లెట్స్ మూవ్ ఆన్ ఇక్కడ ఇదమా ఓకే
Oh, so guys, so we are in a beautiful place. Wait a second, guys. I will show you something. Look at those damn cute tree right there, as well as greenlands.
And that old house that looks more
Yeah,
beautiful,
yeah,
man.
yeah.
And this combination
Yeah,
of
it
that
catches
old
me.
house and tree,
Yeah.
it's really amazing.
It catches me.
I
when
hope you can see it in cam.
Yeah, definitely, guys. Wait, I will show you the eagle eye. I mean, the drone shot. made by
We'll
this DJI.
take off the drone
Spark.
and we'll get a better view.
Okay, so hold on guys, I will place it right there. Okay, let's skip this cam to the drone camera.
Hey,
Go
अभी आप गोवा से आ रहे हो क्या? पूरा घूम के? पहली बार मतलब आते जाते रहते हो क्या?
हम आते जाते रहते हैं, हम सांगली
अच्छा।
से यहाँ से
ओ।
सांगली पता होगा,
कोल्हापुर ओके
हाँ,
ओके ओके।
कोल्हापुर सांगली के है।
अरे ऐसा ऐसा लोकेशन तो मेरे को लगता है कि हर जगह मिलता रहेगा।
ये नहीं, ये सबसे बेस्ट लोकेशन है।
ये वाला।
हाँ।
You see this beautiful visual you're witnessing. This is the first time I'm witnessing such a place. And this bike and these kids making the tour a complete one.
So our bro Chase is gonna explain something about this wonderful location.
Bro, I'm not able to say how it is, but I am able to show you how it is.
Okay, let's do this.
We are done for here. We have to go through the Ghat section, then reach the Goa. And meantime, whenever we halt, we'll keep updating. We really had some great time in Ghat section. Some favorite photo shoots and the aerial shoot with the drone have come out really well. And actually we are delayed by about 3 hours, so it's high time I have to head fast enough to reach Goa by at least 6 p.m. Well, I'm excited to cross this ఇచ్చేద్దాం హెల్మెట్ లేక పోతుండు. అరే అరే వాళ్ళేం రా దిగుతున్నారు. అరే నువ్వు ఎక్కరా నాయనా. Save fuel. What exactly happened? They are looking here. They have got down. क्या क्या देख रहे हो उधर?
नहीं ऐसे ही रुकिए.
अच्छा अच्छा जी. I don't think so. I need to switch on the engine as I've done now.
Thought that there is some issue with them, and he just asked him,
What happened?
any problem?
No, absolutely fine. They just sat for a while for refreshment.
Just enjoying their view.
Did you see it? Wow, this is fantabulous. And I am sure 100% we will waste 1 more hour here. It's evening time, little bit of fog coming out of the evaporation, the water droplets accumulating in the atmosphere. beautiful. It's just fantastic. I feel this is like Munnar. It's just not. I'm just not feeling that cold, but the scenery is absolutely just like Munnar. It's such beautiful here. If you really like this video, what exactly you're watching right now, please comment. Let us feel that we have been to a greatest place. Wow, waterfalls, droplets, proper drop. Bag is coming over. I know it's quite risky going side by side in this narrow road, but still the excitement doesn't stop you to do this. See, we are looking at each other because we come in each other's video. Ramurthy avare. In a while, this bike will be taken by my brother Bharat once I get to a safe position. అరే బ్యాటరీ మళ్ళీ అయిపోయింది రా దీనిది. వాడు ఇక్కడే అన్నాడు కదా, నడుచుకుంటూ వచ్చా. ఇక్కడ వరకు వచ్చిన తర్వాత కూడా కనిపించలే. రైట్ సైడ్ ఉంది ఇక్కడే మాల్. కూర్చో ఒక్క నిమిషం అంతే. రిసార్ట్ ఎత్తుకోవడం ఎంతసేపు పడుతుంది? హోటల్ ఉన్నారు, మంచి పంపించాడు. ఓకే ఓకే, వేరే స్టేజ్ బ్రో.
So guys, now we are in the hotel. So have a look at this room. Here is an AC. Here is the TV. Oh, the TV center. It's AC. So here is the Prashant bro.
Yeah, very hungry.
King of all bros. What's your present situation?
Bit of excitement with tiredness. Still eagerly waiting for the food.
Okay. Okay. So what about you?
எனக்கு டாமினோஸ் பீஸா வேணும் ப்ரோ.
Zomato.
வேண்டாம் ப்ரோ, ஜொமேட்டோ வேண்டாம்.
Domino's
எனக்கு ஒரு ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸಿಕಮ್ ಪೀஸಾ
ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಬ್ರೋ.
Before that payment ಮಾಡಿ. Okay guys, so we are going out to explore nightlife in Goa.
So stay tuned and follow us.
Yeah. And now tea kudu.